There's a lot of very cool things to see at LDI and the Digital Sign trade show. We're going to go through a couple more things today that are, we'll call it standard fare, like lighting, boxes. These are things you need if you're setting up a stage, right? Screens. You've seen a few screens now. Agreed? But I can pretty much guarantee you've never seen anything quite like this. Okay?
No.
So the wild thing is, there is no screen here. Okay?
Like hologram.
Hologram. Yeah. Okay? You say, how is that possible? Well, when I'm back in the office, I'm going to have to show you how it works, okay? Because it's not until you stop it that you go, oh, really? It's that easy? This is not as complicated as it looks. If I was to slow down the camera frame, what you would see is it's actually a fan with LED lights on it, spinning very fast. What you're looking at the top, there's one fan, there's a second fan, there's a third fan. If you look really close, you can actually see the fan blades in the camera frame right moving. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now let's go back over to here. Look at the bottom. There's 1, 2, 3. I think there's 3 fans on either level. No, there's 4 fans. See them? See all the fans?
Yeah.
So what you're looking at is actually a whole bunch of fans spinning quickly. Isn't that wild?
Mm-hmm.
So you can control this on our current system. Did you know that? In your
Yeah.
language, this is just a 1080 by 1920. This is just a portrait orientation screen with some, again, dark color in the background
Mm-hmm.
to give it that holographic effect. Got it? Any questions?
No.
Okay, I'm going to go off to the next show. Isn't that wild? That's how they do the holographic effect. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll stand back a little bit so you can see what this looks like from the distance. Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah. Very cool.
Okay, well, that's enough staring at holograms. Okay, back to the booth. Yeah, that's another very cool thing to see that you can do with our system insofar as placing content onto, very creative, cool surfaces. Great.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Well, guess what? They're serving drinks in this place, so I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to grab a beer. Talk to you in a little bit. Bye, guys.